Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss term 1 social sample paper. Time is 90 minutes and maximum marks is 40. So we'll discuss section A. We have to attempt 20 questions out of 24. First question, who among the following was the founder of Young Europe Underground Secret Society in Bern? Correct option is Giuseppe Mazzini. Not only founded Young Europe in 1834 but also Young Italy in 1831. Second question, which of the following was the result of the Act of Union 1707? So correct option here is B, unification of the Kingdom of Great Britain. This Act of Union passed by English and Scottish parliaments on May 1st, 1707. Third question, identify the correct statement with regard to the Zollverein from the following options. So out of these four options, C is the correct answer. It was a custom union at the initiative of Prussia. Question number 4. Which of the following countries were involved in the three wars with Prussia and ended with victory and unification of Germany? The three countries are Austria, Denmark, and France. So, correct option for fourth question is B. Question number 5. Identify the ideology under which people demanded freedom of markets in early 19th century in Europe. So, correct option for fifth question is liberalism, B. Question number 6. Choose the correctly matched pair about the crops and the areas they are grown in. A. Groundnut in Assam, tea in Gujarat, coffee in Karnataka, sugarcane in Chhattisgarh. Correct option for sixth question is coffee in Karnataka. We also discuss where these crops are famously grown in. Groundnut is grown in Gujarat, tea is grown in Assam, and sugarcane is famous crop in Uttar Pradesh. Question number 7. The piece of land left uncultivated for the past 1 to 5 agriculture years is called fallow land. So, correct option for seventh question is D, fallow land. Eighth question, which one of the following conference was convened to discuss environmental protection and socio-economic development at the globe level in 1992? So, correct option is Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit. Correct option for eighth question is C. Ninth question, India has land under a variety of relief features. Which of the following features ensure perennial flow of some rivers, provide facilities for tourism and ecological aspects? A. Plains, B. Plateaus, C. Islands, D. Mountains. So correct option for ninth question is mountains. Tenth question, which of the following human activities has contributed significantly in land degradation? Of course, the answer is deforestation. Correct answer is deforestation, option A. 11th question, which one of the following countries adopted majoritarianism in their constitution? It's not Nepal, it's not India, it's not Bangladesh. Correct option for 11th question is Sri Lanka, option C. 12th question, identify the significant reason of power sharing from the following options. The main reason for power sharing will be reduce the social economic conflicts. So correct answer for 12th question is A, to reduce the socio economic conflicts. Moving on to the 13th question, apart from the central and state government, Belgium has a third kind of government as well. Identify this third kind of type of government from the following options. So in Belgium, they have community government. So third kind of government in Belgium is community government. Option C. 14th question, which of the following countries is an example of coming together federation? United States of America is an example of coming together federation. Correct option for 14th question is USA. Moving on to the 15th, why is the power shared among us different organs of government called as horizontal distribution of power? Identify the correct reason. A option, it gives judiciary more power than legislature and executive. B option, it allows different organs of government to be placed at the same level. C option, it gives representation to different ideologies at political level. D, it influences and coordinates in the decision making process. So correct option for 15th question is B. It allows different organs of government to be placed at same level. 16th question. In India's federal system, the central and state government have the power to legislate on all those subjects which are included in the union list, state list, concurrent list, and residuary subjects. So, correct option for 16th question is concurrent list, option C. So, what is concurrent list? It is a list of 52 items given in the 7th schedule of Constitution of India. The concurrent list consists of subjects of common interest to both union and state. Moving on to the 17th question, which of the following states of India enjoys special powers under Article 371A of the Constitution of India? The state is Nagaland and it has special powers under Article 371A. So correct option for 17th question is A, Nagaland. 18th question, which of the following is an example of primary sector activity? So farming is the example of primary sector activity. So correct option for 18th question is C, farming. 19th question, which of the following measures the proportion of literate population in the seven above age groups? Net attendance ratio, enrollment rate, literacy rate, dropout ratio. So correct option is literacy rate, option C. 28th question, which one of the following is the correct meaning of average income? Average income is nothing but total income of the country divided by total population. So correct option for 20th question is B, total income of the country divided by total population gives you average income. 21st question, which of the following best describes human development index HDI? Improvement in science, information and technology, improvement in health, education and income, C, improvement in information and communication, D, improvement in investment, finance and technology. So the best describes here is improvement in health, education and income. So correct option for 21st question is B. 22nd question, consequences of environmental degradation do not respect national or state boundaries. So, which of these following is the essence of this statement? Sustainable development is the essence of this statement. So, correct option for 22nd question is sustainable development. Option C. 23rd question, which of the following example fall under an organized sector? Organized sector means where an employee gets all the benefit like PF, medical facility. So correct option for 23rd question is an engineering getting all employment benefit. B option. 24th question, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005 states a guarantee of minimum 100 days of employment per year. If government is unable to fulfill this 100 days of unemployment, the government would have to pay the compensation for these days. So correct option for 24th question is A. They have to pay the compensation in lieu of these days. We'll discuss section B. We have to attempt 18 questions out of 22. 25th question is the first question in section B. Following image is the personification of Germany commonly associated with the Romantic era and the revolutions of 1848. Identify its name from among the following options. So this image is Germania. So correct option for 25th question is C, Germania. 26th question, which of the following options are correct about Balkan nationalism? 1. The Balkan region became part of the conflict because of the Ottoman Empire. Second, the region comprised of ethnic groups included Greeks, Serbs, and Montenegro, etc. Third, the British and ethnic nationalities struggled to establish their identity. So, third option is not correct for this Balkan nationalism. So, 1 and 2 are the correct options. Correct answer for 26th is A, 1 and 2. Both 1 and 2 are the correct options for Balkan nationalism. 27th question. Why did the waivers in Silesia revolt against contractors in 1845? The reason is contracts did not pay their dues. Correct option for 27th question is A. 28th question. Identify the major aspect that helped in the formation of a nation state in Britain. The parliament through a bloodless revolution seized power from the monarchy. So B is the correct option for 28th question. 29th question. Identify the soil with the help of clues given below. The soil develops in areas with high temperature and heavy rainfall. It is low in humus content, found in hilly areas like Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. This type of soil is nothing but laterite soil. So, correct option for 29th question is laterite soil. D option. 30th question. Which of the following categories of resources can we put in tidal energy in? Renewable, non renewable, actual resources, potential resources. Tidal energy is an example of renewable resources. Correct option for 30th question is A. 31st question. Consider the following statements on power sharing and select the answer using the codes given below. It is a good for democracy. It creates harmony in different groups. It brings transparency in the governance. It brings socio-political competition among parties. So option 4 is not correct statement on power sharing. So 1, 2, 3 are true statements on power sharing. So correct option for 31st question is A. First 3. 32nd question. How does judiciary act as an empire in federal nation? Judiciary rules over central and state. Center and judiciary works collectively. Courts can change structure of constitution. Courts use the power to interpret the constitution. So correct option for 32nd question is D. Courts use the power to interpret the constitution. This is how a judiciary act as an empire in federal nation. 33rd question is a assertion and reasoning question. Assertion. Sri Lanka adopted Sinhala as the only official language of the state. Reason. The government of Sri Lanka wanted to foster the culture, language, and religion. Both assertion Sri Lanka adopted Sinhala as an official language is correct. Reason. The government of Sri Lanka wanted to foster their culture, language, and religion is also correct statement. So both A and R are true, and R is the correct statement for or correct explanation for A. So for 33rd question, A is the correct option. Moving on to 34, there is a match the following. Column A and column B are given. So we'll match the correct option. Information and technology belongs to residual subjects. Police is in state list. Education belongs to concurrent list. And defense is a union list. So correct option for 31st question is first information is residual, second police state list, third education concurrent list, fourth union list defense. So correct option for 34th question is A. 35th question. Anita is appearing in an examination conducted for recruitment to central government positions. In how many languages, as mentioned in the 8th schedule, can she opt to take the exam? Select the appropriate options. They have given 4 options: 18, 21, 22, 25 languages. So, correct option for 35th question is 22 languages. One can opt 22 languages as mentioned in the 8th schedule. Identify the administrative system of Indian government with the help of the following information. So below are the three information. Power shared between the central and state government to local governments. It is called as the third tier of the government. The state governments are required to share some powers and revenues with them. So select the appropriate option from the following. A. Federal system. B. Unitary federal system. C. Decentralized system. D. Unitary system. So above information is correct for decentralized system. For 36th question, C is the correct answer. 37th question, which of the following options prove that India is a quasi-federal state? Four statements they have given. First one, more powers with center, residuary subjects with center. Third one, equal subject with center and state. Fourth, currency and railways with center. So coming to the quasi-federal state, third option is not correct. So 1, 2 and 4 are the correct options for the quasi-federal state. Correct option for 37th question is B. 1, 2 and 4. 38th question. Identify the correct statements about the theory of federalism in the Indian Constitution. Four statements they have given. First one, the Constitution declared India as a union states. Sharing of power between the union government and the state government is basic to the structure of the constitution. It is easy to make changes to the power sharing arrangement. The parliament can on its own change this arrangement. So third and fourth are the not correct for federalism in the Indian constitution. Only 1 and 2 declare India as a union state or sharing power between the union government and the central government is basic to the structure of the constitution. These 1 and 2 are the correct options for 38th question. So A is the correct answer, 1 and 2. Question number 39 is assertion and reasoning question. Assertion. Human development mentions how much socio-economic development has happened in a country, whereas reason is given as comparison of national income of two countries explain human development index. So this is not the right statement because human development index cannot compare national income of two countries. So assertion is correct but reason is not correct. So option for 39th question is A is true but R is false. 40. Choose the correct option from the following. Four options are given in list 1 and list 2 they have given sectors. List 1 examples. We have to choose the correct one. Courier tertiary sector, fisherman secondary sector, carpenter primary sector, transporter secondary sector. So fisherman primary is a primary sector but it is given as a secondary sector and other options are wrong. So option A is the correct answer. Courier belongs to tertiary sector. Tertiary sector is also known as service sector. This sector produces services, maintenance and repair, transport, etc. 40th question correct answer is A. Question number 41. Read the following data and information carefully and select the most appropriate answer from the given options. They have given countries and monthly income of citizens in 2007. So Rita is an employee of MNC company who get transferred to different countries after every 3 years of service. She has been given an opportunity to choose any one out of the three countries mentioned in the above table as her next job option or location. She calculates average income of all these countries as per the above data and choose to be transferred to country A. So identify the reason why Rita has chosen country A. So the reason why Rita has chosen country A is as this income is equitably distributed throughout the month. So option B is the correct answer as most equitable distribution of income. Question number 42. Vijay is undernourished as his weight is 45 kgs and his height is 1.78 meters. Find out his BMI, body mass index, from the following options. To find the body mass index of Vijay, we have to use the formula weight by height square. So weight of the Vijay is given as 45 kgs and height is 1.78. So 1.78 whole square. 45 by 1.78 whole square. 1.78 whole square is 3.16. So 45 divided by 3.16 is 14.2. So correct option among these four options are, oh, correct option is not given. So correct answer is 14.2. Make a note of it, students. 42nd answer is 14.2. We got 14.2 using the formula weight by height square. Moving on to the 43rd question. A woman works at a sweet shop in his village on a contract basis and gets a salary after working the entire day. She does not get any holidays or a paid leave. Rather, her employer deducts her salary whenever she is absent from the work. Find out which of the following sectors she is working. So she is working as an unorganized sector. If there is no benefit for the employee, it is unorganized sector. If benefits like ESI health benefit is there, they are organized sectors. So that woman who is working in a sweet shop belongs to a unorganized sector. So correct option is D. Question number 44. According to 2017-18 data, the share of different sectors in employment in India was primary sector 44%, secondary sector 25%, tertiary sector 31%. Out of these three sectors, why did the ratio of employment in primary sector is high? So select the most suitable option from the following. So workers in the primary sector are underemployed, low job opportunities in secondary sector, efforts of laborers are not equivalent in all the sectors, outstanding of job opportunities in secondary sectors. So the reason why the percentage is more in primary sector is workers in the primary sectors are underemployed. 45th question. Assertion and reasoning question. Assertion. Crude oil reserves in the entire world are depleting. means decreasing. We need to find a sustainable substitute for it. Yes, it is correct. Reason, oil and petrol prices are increasing day by day. Yeah, we are experiencing that now. So both assertion and reasoning are correct, but reason is not a correct explanation for A. So for 45th question, option B is the correct answer. Both A and R, assertion and reasoning are true, but R, reason is not correct explanation of A, assertion. Question number 46, last question in section B. A man is employed on a food processing farm where he has to do a lot of manual work. His wife and daughter also help him in his work on the farm every day. Which type of employment is this an example? This is an example of underemployment. See, in the 44th question, we have seen the primary sector is 44% more because of underemployment. Or underemployed is nothing but a person not having enough paid work or not doing work that makes full use of their skills. So, correct option for 46th question is A. We'll discuss section C now. This section consists of two cases. There are total 12 questions, 6 questions in each case, and we have to attend 10 questions from this section. Read the source given below and answer the question by choosing the most appropriate option. Let us go through this source. Grimm's fairy tale is a familiar name in Germany. The brothers Jacob and Wilhelm Grimm were born in the German city of Hanau. While both of them studied law, they soon developed an interest in collecting old folk tales. They spent 6 years traveling from village to village, talking to people and writing down fairy tales which were handed down through the generations. They were popular both among children and adults. In 1812, they published their first collection of tales. Subsequently, both the brothers became active in liberal politics, especially the movement for freedom of the press. In the meantime, they also published a 33-volume dictionary of the German language. The Grimm brothers also saw French domination as a threat to German culture and believed that the folk tales they had collected were expressions of a pure and authentic German spirit. They considered their project of collecting folk tales and developing the German language as a part of the wider efforts to oppose French domination and create a German national identity. Based on above source, we will answer the following question. Question number 47. Why did the Grimm brothers give the tales a readable form without changing their folkloric character? Choose the correct option from the following. So the correct option is A. The collection enjoyed widespread in Germany. 48th question. The impact of literary contribution of Grimm brothers was widespread. Identify the best suitable option, deciding the same from the following. Developing of cities and towns, setting up of a new political parties, promotion of ethnic belonging, emergence of socialist ideology. So 48th correct option is promoting of ethnic belonging. Fill in the blanks from the given option. The work of the Grimm brothers influenced and inspired people to collect tales. They believed in a spirit of culturalism and considered it essential for the reflection of national identity. 50th question. Why did the foreign domination was considered a threat to nation building? Select the best suitable option for the following in reference to the above context. Option A. Exploitation of natural resources, erosion of native values and ethos. C. Violence and mass killing of people. D. Spread of new diseases in the country. Correct option is B. Erosion means destruction of native values and ethos is the correct answer. 51st question. How were the Germans able to connect with their culture? With reference to the above context, infer the appropriate option. So, correct option is C, through the feeling of collective belonging among the nationals. Question number 52. Two statements are given in the question below, assertion and reasoning. Assertion. Regimes of 1815 did not tolerate criticism and dissent. Reason, conservative regimes were autocratic. So both A and R, assertion and reason, are correct, and R is the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So option A is the correct answer for 52nd question. Second context, read the source given below and answer the questions by choosing the most appropriate options. There has been a gradual shift from cultivation of food crops to cultivation of fruits, vegetables, oilseeds, and industrial crop. This has led to the reduction in nut sown area under cereals and pulses. With the growing population of India, the declining food production puts a big question mark over the country's future food security. The competition for land between non agriculture users such as housing, etc., and agriculture has resulted in reduction in the net sown area. The productivity of land has started showing a declining trend. Fertilizers, pesticides, and insecticides, which once shown dramatic results, are now being held responsible for degrading the soils. Periodic scarcity of water has led to reduction in area under irrigation. Inefficient water management has led to the water logging and salinity. Now we are going to answer the questions based on this source. Question number 53. One can infer from the above information that marginal and small farmers have been pushed out of cultivation. Which of the following is the prominent cause? The main reason is soil degradation and extensive green revolution. Correct option for the 53 question is D. Moving on to the 54th question. Read the following statements and find the correct option from the given options. Indian farmers are diversifying their cropping pattern. Yes, it is correct. They are shifting production from cereals to fruits, vegetables, etc. Yes, this is also correct. Jute is in high demand in the Indian market. So third statement is not relevant in the above context. So 1 and 2 are the correct statements. So option A is the correct answer. 1 and 2. Moving on to the 55th question. According to the information given above, there has been reduction in the net sown area under cereals and pulses. Identify the reason. So the main reason is availability of more profits from commercial crops. So this is the reason why there is a net sown area under cereals and pulses has been reduced. 56th question. Fertilizers, pesticides, and insecticides, which once showed dramatic results, are now being held responsible for degrading the soil. Infer the positive effects of this input noticed earlier from the following statement. So, the correct options for this question is A. These inputs have shown increased outputs and productivity. 57th question. There are states in India which are using fertilizers, pesticides, and insecticides at excessive level to increase their agriculture production. Identify the states which are at prominent level from the following options: Karnataka, Kerala, Haryana, Punjab, Punjab and Gujarat, Haryana and Telangana. Correct option is Haryana and Punjab. B option. Moving on to the 58th question of sixth of section C, it is the last question. Food production provides a base for food security and is a key determinant of food availability. Why is this trend shifting towards industrial crops? Choose the correct option. The correct reason is to fetch more income and high earnings. We are into the last section of this question paper, section D. We have to attempt both the map based questions. There will be two questions. The questions are A and B. We have to identify the A and B based on the question. On the political map of India, A is marked as a dam. So A is a dam and we have to identify among the options Salal, Bakranangal, Tehri. So correct option for among these options are Bakranangal Dam. This dam is situated on the bank of the river Sutlej, Himachal Pradesh state. Now we are moving to the 60th question. On the same map, B is also marked as a major tea cultivating state. Identify it from the following options: Assam, Punjab, Bihar, Gujarat. So B is a option. Correct option for B is Assam.